steady in your hand. The sea may roar, the winds may scream, but you hold me in every dream. Your voice calms the raging tide. I walk with you, I won't harm. Jesus, you carry me home. Jesus, you carry me home. Through every storm, through every storm. Jesus, you carry me home. The morning sun, it rises slow, fills my heart and makes it glow. Every breath your love does show. Your mercy never fails me. In the storm or in the peace, your hand's my sweetest release.
Your mercy never fails me.
Oh.
Your mercy never fails me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Through the fire, through the sea, your mercy never fails me.
Ooh. Mountains move and shadows break. All for love you undertake. The heavens sing for your own sake. Your mercy never fails me. Through the night or through the day, your light will never fade away.
Your mercy never fails me.
Oh,
Your mercy never fails me.
oh,
Through the fire, through the sea, your mercy never fails me.
Oh, yeah. The moon hides behind the clouds tonight. Shadows stretch long where the stars won't fight. I'm walking blind on this endless road. Feet are heavy, I'm carrying the load. But a whisper calls, so sweet, so sweet, so clear, so clear. A voice of hope I'm ready to hear. Light in my darkest night. Oh, you shine so bright. Light in my darkest night. You guide my soul. You make it right. a shadow walk alone, feet heavy, heart of stone, night thick, no way to see. Where is the light meant for me? Wind howls loud, shakes the trees. Echoes my soul's crack, please. Rock of ages, steady me. Rock of ages, set me free, set me free. Rock of ages, steady me, steady me. Rain falls cold, cuts my skin, floods the ground, soaks within. Still I hear whispers strong, a voice that pulls me along. Roots deep grip, hold the ground. Anchor me when I spin around. Rock of ages, steady me, steady me. Rock of ages, set me free, set me free. Rock of ages, steady me, steady me. The sun is rising, the shadows fall. Your mercy wakes me, I hear your call. Feet on the earth, but my soul feels tall. Yeah, through the storm, through the fight, you bring me peace, you bring me light. Joy in the morning, Lord. Zignare. Joy in the morning, Lord. Your love restores my soul, yeah. Morning, Lord. Joy in the morning, Lord. I see the trees by the window bays. The ocean roars out a song of praise. Even the stones shout your holy name, yeah. Through the dark, through the flame, you are my shield, you stay the same, yeah. Joy in the morning, Lord. Signore. Joy in the morning, Lord. Your love restores my soul. Morning, Lord. Joy in the morning, Lord. Feel the waves crash inside. Feet on the edge, but I won't fall. Your hand is steady, you hear my call. Oh, I see the light breaking through. Your love is strong, it's pulling me to you. You make a way for me, through the fire, through the sea. You make a way for me. Oh, you set my soul free. Mountains rise, shadows loom, but your promise clears the gloom. Every tear, every cry, you lift me up. I can touch the sky. Oh, I see the light breaking through. Your love is strong, it's pulling me to you. You make a way for me, through the fire, through the sea. You make a way for me. Oh, you set my soul free. Whoa, hey. Rain falls down, but the fire stays bright. In the darkest hour, I see the light. My knees hit the ground, my heart makes a sound, calling out to the name above names. Chains they break, they crumble to dust. Walls fall down when we rise and trust. Name above names, Jesus, King of all kings, Jesus. The earth shakes to heaven and sing at the sound of the name above names. Ooh, yeah. Of the name above names. Winds may howl, but I will not shake. His love's a rock, but no storm can break. When shadows creep and the valleys run deep, I hold to the name above names. Chains they break, they crumble to dust. Walls fall down when we rise in trust. Name above names, Jesus, King of all kings, Jesus. The earth shakes to heaven and sing at the sound of the name above names. Oh, Jesus. Oh, strength in me will grow in the dance of life. To your rhythm I will flow. I will not fear. You're near in your embrace. I find grace through every trial. I'll find my place. Hold my hand, lead the way. In your love I will stay. With each heartbeat I will pray. I will not fear. You're in your embrace. I find grace through every trial. I'll find my place. The night is long, the road is steep. A shadow crawls where silence creeps. I hear the whispers of the deep. But a fire burns, a light so clear. A voice inside says, have no fear. I will not fear. You're near. I will not fear. You're near. Your love is louder than my tears. The waves they crash, the storm takes aim. It calls my soul, it calls my name. But I'm not lost, I'm not the same. A mighty hand that holds me tight. I stand unshaken in your light. I will not fear. You're near. I will not fear. You're near. Your love is louder than my tears. Hallelujah, I'm alive. Grace found me, set me free. I was walking in the shadows, lost and cold, chains around my ankles, heavy to hold. But then the light broke through my night, and mercy whispered, it's gonna be alright. Oh, can you hear it? The sound of release. The chains are falling. I found my peace. Grace found me, set me free. Oh, grace found me, set me free. I was blind, now I see. Grace found me, set me free. Storms tried to drown me, waves pushed me low, but His hand reached out, didn't let me go. A love so fierce, it burns through time. It turned my ashes to a holy climb. Oh, can you feel it? The weight is gone. The soul is singing a freedom song. Grace found me, set me free. Shepherd of my soul, guide me. The night is wide, the stars look cold. I walk so far, I feel so old. My heart is heavy, my hands can't hold, but you lift me, you lift me. The wind may howl, the rain may fall, I hear your voice above it all, calling me close, steady and small. You are with me, always with me. When the shadows grow and the path turns steep, when the valley's dark and the rivers weep, shepherd of my soul, guide me. Shepherd of my soul, guide me. Through the hills, through the fire, through the flood, take me higher. Shepherd of my soul, guide me. The lion roars, the jackal schemes, they prowl my thoughts, they steal my dreams. But you are near, you split the seams, you redeem me, redeem me. Yeah. Footsteps falter in the dust, heavy load, but in you I trust. The road is rough, the dark. A fire burns deep in my heart. Jesus, you carry me home. Jesus, you carry me home. Through every storm, through every storm. Jesus, you carry me home. Waves crash high, but I will stand, safe and steady in your hand. The sea may roar, the winds may scream, but you hold me in every dream. Your voice calms the raging tide. I walk with you, I won't harm. Jesus, you carry me home. Jesus, you carry me home. Through every storm, through every storm. Jesus, you carry me home. The morning sun, it rises slow, fills my heart and makes it glow. Every breath your love does show. Your mercy never fails me. In the storm or in the peace, your hand's my sweetest release.
Your mercy never fails me.
Oh.
Your mercy never fails me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Through the fire, through the sea, your mercy never fails me.
Ooh. Mountains move and shadows break. All for love you undertake. The heavens sing for your own sake. Your mercy never fails me. Through the night or through the day, your light will never fade away.
Your mercy never fails me.
Oh,
Your mercy never fails me.
oh, oh, oh.
Through the fire,
In the shadow walk alone, feet heavy, heart of stone. Night thick, no way to see. Where is the light meant for me? Wind howls loud, shakes the trees. Echoes my soul's cracked pleas. Rock of ages, steady me. Rock of ages, set me free, set me free. Rock of ages, steady me, steady me. Rain falls cold, cuts my skin, floods the ground, soaks within. Still I hear whispers strong, a voice that pulls me along. Roots deep grip, hold the ground. Anchor me when I spin around. Rock of ages, steady me. Rock of ages, set me free, set me free. Rock of ages, steady me, steady me. Yeah. The sun is rising, the shadows fall. Your mercy wakes me, I hear your call. Feet on the earth, but my soul feels tall. Yeah. Through the storm, through the fight, you bring me peace, you bring me light. Joy in the morning, Lord. Zignare. Joy in the morning, Lord. Your love restores my soul. Yeah. In the morning, Lord. Joy in the morning, Lord. I see the trees by the window bays. The ocean roars out a song of praise. Even the stones shout your holy name. Yeah. Through the dark, through the flame, you are my shield, you stay the same. Yeah. Joy in the morning, Lord. Signore. Joy in the morning, Lord. Your love restores my soul. Joy in the morning, Lord. Yeah. fire through the sea. You make a way for me. Oh, you set my soul free. Mountains rise, shadows loom, but your promise clears the gloom. Every tear, every cry, you lift me up. I can touch the sky. Oh, I see the light breaking through. Your love is strong, it's pulling me to you. You make a way for me, through the fire, through the sea. You make a way for me. Oh, you set my soul free. Whoa, hey. Rain falls down, but the fire stays bright. In the darkest hour, I see the light. My knees hit the ground, my heart makes a sound, calling out to the name above names. Chains they break, they crumble to dust. Walls fall down when we rise in trust. Name above names, Jesus, King of all kings, Jesus. The earth shakes to heaven and sing at the sound of the name above names. Ooh, yeah. Of the name above names. Winds may howl, but I will not shake. His love's a rock that no storm can break. When shadows creep and the valleys run deep, I hold to the name above names. Chains they break, they crumble to dust. Walls fall down when we rise in trust. Name above names, Jesus, King of all kings, Jesus. The earth shakes to heaven and sing at the sound of the name above names. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Walking through the fire, fearless in the night. Every step I take, guided by your light. Through the darkest storm, Your love is my sign. I will not fear. You're near, in your embrace. I find grace through every trial. I'll find my place. Mountains high before me, valleys deep below. Well, you are climbing, so your strength in me will grow. In the dance of life, to your rhythm I will flow. I will not fear. You're near, in your embrace. I find grace through every trial. I'll find my place. Hold my hand, lead the way. In your love I will stay. With each heartbeat I will pray. I will not fear. You're in your embrace. I find grace through every trial. I'll find my place. The night is long, the road is steep. A shadow crawls where silence creeps. I hear the whispers of the deep. But a fire burns, a light so clear. A voice inside says, have no fear. I will not fear. You're near. I will not fear. You're near. Your love is louder than my tears. The waves they crash, the storm takes aim. It calls my soul, it calls my name. But I'm not lost, I'm not the same. A mighty hand, it holds me tight. I stand unshaken in your light. I will not fear. You're near. I will not fear. You're near. Your love is louder than my tears. the shadows, lost and cold. Chains around my ankles, heavy to hold. But then the light broke through my night, and mercy whispered, it's gonna be alright. Oh, can you hear it? The sound of release. The chains are falling. I found my peace. Grace found me, set me free. Oh, grace found me, set me free. I was blind, now I see. Grace found me, set me free. Storms tried to drown me, waves pushed me low, but his hand reached out, didn't let me go. A love so fierce, it burns through time. It turned my ashes to a holy climb. Oh, can you feel it? The weight is gone. The soul is singing a freedom song. Grace found me, set me free. Shepherd of my soul, guide me. The night is wide, the stars look cold. I walk so far, I feel so old. My heart is heavy, my hands can't hold. But you lift me, you lift me. The wind may howl, the rain may fall. I hear your voice above it all, calling me close, steady and small. You are with me, always with me. When the shadows grow and the path turns steep, when the valley's dark and the rivers weep, shepherd of my soul, guide me. Shepherd of my soul, guide me. Through the hills, through the fire, through the flood, take me higher. Shepherd of my soul, guide me. The lion roars, the jackal schemes, they prowl my thoughts, they steal my dreams. But you are near, you split the seams, you redeem me, redeem me. Where is the light? ages. Steady me, rock of ages.
Set me free,
Set me free, rock of ages.
steady me.
Steady me. Rain falls cold, cuts my skin, floods the ground, soaks within.